Hi, and welcome to the 8th picoCTF 2018 problem. This is still very easy, meaning that it still just requires some searching on the internet and finding the right online programs to use. Like I stated earlier, I don't know who my audience is, but I'm guessing kids or people with little computer knowledge, at least at this stage. And the reason for the searching itself is that not everybody watching these tutorials have English as their maiden language. Anyway, the topic is reversing, and the title is Reversing Warmup 2 for 50 points. So the problems will become more difficult, not just yet, but this is the last one with 50 points. And the question is, can you decode the following string from base 64 to format to ASCII? Now, we have already covered ASCII a little bit in an earlier tutorial, but what is base 64? So let's type in what is base 64. And we have, of course, Wikipedia here, where it states binary to text encoding. Now, I already showed you some good websites to look at, Ask Ubuntu and Linux questions. Here's the last one which I want to show you, and that is Stack Overflow. And we'll go in here on one of the questions asked. You see it has 12 answers here. Why did we use base 64? I have already scrolled down a little bit here to get to the answer. Now, the reason why I am emphasizing 12 answers is that it usually indicates either more than one solution or a discussion between some of those giving answers, which could give you an even better description of a problem. And sometimes reading what other people write is easier to understand than a manual. But Stack Overflow is a very good website to go and search. Let us copy the string we want to decode here. And move over to Google. Base 64 to ASCII converter. We are not going to use rapid tables this time, but try another one. And this one says base 64 to ASCII text. It has a lot of explanation first, which is good. And then we have right here is what we want. We're going to remove this and paste in the string we had and convert base 64 to ASCII. And this is our answer. Let's copy that. That was simple. And move over to picoCTF. What we have to remember now is that Pico wants picoCTF first, and then we have the brackets, and then let's paste in our answer and the last bracket, and we are ready to submit. And that was correct. So now we have actually finished everything that has to do with 50 points.